Hi guys, Daniel and John here, and welcome back to another one of our product review videos. And in today's video we're looking at a smart oven air fryer made by Sage. That's it there. It's got a lot of features. It includes various accessories and a lot of different smart presets, including air fry, grill, crumpet, toast, pizza, roast, bake, slow cook, super convection for air frying, precise temperature control, precise menus of optimised rack positions, and it's got the Element IQ system. So we're just going to do an unboxing of this.
Yes, just a basic
unboxing.
unboxing.
The video will be in two parts. We'll do an unboxing to show you what's included and what the unit looks like, just in case you're thinking of buying this. And then we'll cook something in it as well at some point.
Oh wow, I didn't expect to see that. There's a positive bit of marketing.
I think in part two we'll probably end up cooking something in there, just giving you a
Here's a box open.
quick demonstration.
Right, from top to bottom. What's the manual?
So it's a nice colourful manual.
Trays, accessories.
It does say it includes quite a few accessories, so I
Yeah.
guess that's what they
Yeah,
are.
these are trays, two of
It does look
substantial. This.
quite good quality as well. So as you can see, it's got a nice big box. It's all well protected. That's like a meshy tray.
This is the air fry tray for
Okay.
chips and bits and bobs.
Yeah.
That's obviously your pizza tray. That's to do your toast on and bits, etc. So, and even those look really good quality. It's well packaged. Another tray there.
So the trays and the accessories are all down the sides. So you get a lot with it. So you get everything you need to use it, bar the actual food you want to cook, obviously.
It keeps on giving, that's for sure. And now, try and get this out here, which is always tricky, but we'll
Give it a go. You've got the sides all right.
yeah.
Yeah, it's always tricky getting this sort of stuff out of the box myself. Right, I've got that.
Right, so I'm just going to rest that down
Yeah.
a minute. Put it on the worktop. Now the unit itself is quite light.
Let's just get this box sorted. Okay, that's quite a big box, that's the problem with it.
It's well packaged.
So you're saying the unit itself is quite light?
Yeah,
Okay.
compared to others. I guess that's modern technology. Now, okay, so it's got the name Sage on it. It's got UK plug.
Nice thick flex.
Yeah, real thick.
Moulded plug, that's always a good sign.
I know Sage is a registered trademark as well, which in my experience is always a good thing. Try and do this literally as you would get it, so you can see no frills or spills. Right, okay, so how long is this lead? It's heavy duty lead as well by the looks of it.
You have to excuse the lighting in here, it's not particularly great. It's, hopefully you can see everything.
Everything's well packaged and protected, which is really good. It's quite, probably 3 foot lead.
Yeah, so you'd be able to plug that in
Yeah.
most places in your kitchen or wherever you're putting it.
Stainless steel, it's like brush finish, this
Yeah,
one.
it's got like a brush finish.
I think you get them white as well. So, also got a thing on the front there. That just peels off, which is nice. logo there.
Sage logo here, glass.
Now that one that's here, that's
No,
really big.
glass? Yeah, I think it's glass, it'd have to be
You see 1, 2, 3 even tells you where to put
your
the
trays.
individual trays.
Yeah. So also you've got like your grill on top, you toast your pizza in the middle, and bigger bits like roast potatoes and stuff on the bottom.
It looks really stylish.
We thought this was actually bigger, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's actually not as big as what we thought.
So,
And the reason I say that is because we can do a comparison here between a grill microwave.
yeah,
We have done a video, that's a grill microwave.
and a
that's
solid one.
So it's a little bit smaller. But
Now in here are these tubes which provide the heat
Yeah.
for the oven.
yeah, and there's tubes on the bottom and tubes on the top, and these have got like a meshed thing to protect them.
Yeah.
And it looks up, and you've got your light here. Looks like on the side you've got these little things for the shelves.
Now I know for a fact that if we plug it in, let's see what we get. Do you know, I think this looks quite stylish, doesn't it?
It does
I
look
like
very
this.
stylish. The thing I'd say, come up
Yeah.
a bit on it. Oh, you take that out. It's got like a tray at the bottom here. Something goes in here.
Yeah, that's probably.
I'm not sure.
I'll tell you which one that is.
Which one is that like a drip tray or something else?
That's if you like your toaster.
Oh, your toaster, okay.
You know, you got toasters have like trays underneath, don't they? And it slides in. I'd say the only problem with this is it's so damn well packaged. It'll take you a minute to get it.
I guess they just want stuff to arrive without it being damaged,
Yeah.
which is
I'm
actually
not going to undo
quite
all
nice.
this because it is really well
But
packaged.
this piece here fits in the bottom,
Which goes under there.
so we could probably just put that in there with the plastic just to show you where it
Show you
goes.
how it goes.
But also you've got to remove it, but
Yeah.
so that sort of goes in there.
Right.
So let's just leave that off for a minute or unwrap
Yeah.
it, whatever.
And then in here, we've got your standard tray you'd have in an oven.
Yeah.
And that's saying toast, pizza, bake, preheat. So you just put it in the correct place like that.
Yeah. Very easy to use.
Yeah.
And once you've got this tray in the bottom, you can see there's like that. The lighting's awful in here. Sorry about the light. It's just the kitchen. It's not very good. So that's about how much room you've got. So you could bake a cake. Got enough room to bake a cake and do various bits you want to do.
And then you've got your air fry, which is wider. And it goes in these slots there. And then obviously you've got your pizza,
Pizza oven thing, yeah.
which can go. Let's take that out.
But everything's wrapped in plastic and it's all good quality by the looks of it as well.
So leave that there. Need to be pushed right back, that tray.
Yeah, the pizza tray's got to be pushed right back, otherwise it catches.
Yeah,
But it does all fit in there.
that's too high, this air fry tray. I would say, let's see what it looks like when it's lit up.
So it's got a nice display on it, nice bright display. The buttons have got like a
So the
sort of
function,
ribbed effect on them, so that they don't slip in your fingers.
see this function,
Yeah.
you just select what you want, bake, like cake, roast, pizza, and it'll do it all for you. It's changing the temperature.
Yeah, so you've got your temperature and your time.
So pizza 210 for 20 minutes, roast, it'll do that for an hour, bake 160 for 30 minutes. I'm sure there are things you can
So-
adjust.
Oh, so this button here turns the light on,
Quite nice.
and I guess this button here changes between Celsius and Fahrenheit.
So look, yeah, it
So
does, yeah.
press that there, Fahrenheit. So that's them.
Most important thing is the start, stop.
And you've got a fan icon here and a defrost or something. I'm not
Yeah.
sure what that is. Without looking at the instruction book, but I'd imagine the
To be honest,
instruction book is pretty comprehensive for something like this.
or
But it looks stylish, and I think it would suit most
see what I like
kitchens.
about it, the ease of use.
Oh, it's got a keep warm function as well,
Musk handy.
so you can put stuff in there and just. Oh, and by the looks of it as well, when you select like toast, there's sort of a knob here as well, and if you twist it right or left, you can select how dark you want your toast.
That's handy. What about if you drop down to bake?
And it doesn't have any settings for that. What
No.
else is there? I noticed that when I was changing the settings between
Slow cook. You put slow.
slow cook, yeah,
If you've got just a ceramic pot with a lid on for slow cooker, you can pop it in there as well.
crumpet. See the crumpet moves
Yeah.
it depending how toasted you want them. Okay, right. So,
So
look at the
with the
instructions.
instruction booklet, dropped on the floor a bit, there are some recipe cards to get you started.
It's all
what about
nice,
there?
full colour.
It's all been very well thought out, this. That's what I like. Nice big print. That's quite handy for people.
Just a few important safeguards to read through before using it.
Basically tells you everything you need to know.
Yeah, it's nice bit of kit.
I've got to say,
I'm really impressed with the menu. Actually, I really like
it's
like this function where
really
you can switch
user-friendly,
between
isn't
them.
it?
Yeah, I like that. It's
So it's
quite
got a
nice.
nice light on. I
Yeah.
would say,
What we should do is we should take the trays out that we don't need and put it on, say, like a toast function, then
Yeah.
start it. Just see what the
yeah, could
start
do.
button looks like with the colour.
Yeah. So
Obviously, we've got to take some plastic
we'll
off
take it
bits,
all.
but
We'll just take the trays out. I don't think we need any trays in.
no, we don't need any trays in.
So it comes with everything you need. It's quite comprehensive.
So that's, we've got it on the toast feature at the moment. Oh, it tells you even, oh, so that's interesting. So you've got your function button here. This one here controls the sort of how light and dark you want, and this one here controls how many slices you've got in there.
Oh wow!
This one. So I guess it
So if we just hit,
turns other stuff on.
well,
Okay.
that's posh.
So it changes colour when it's on, which is nice.
And a nice red light saying it's on.
And it looks like it's counting down with the red light on. It all looks really nice. And as you can see at the back, it's
You see the tubes heating up.
you got your two tubes at the bottom. This is just for the toast, and immediately I can feel that heat.
Yeah, they say it heats up really quick.
Like I can feel that straight away. You got two. You got those at the top there as well. Obviously, they'll come on differently depending what you're doing.
So
Yeah.
we are in October 2022, and this was sent for us to review. You know, the price of electric compared to, say, a huge oven there, which quite often you don't need. This would be perfect and save you an absolute fortune. So let's stop that. There you go.
So
Instant.
it goes up nicely.
Look how quickly those tubes are going
Yeah.
off. Yeah.
So we hope. What about if you do like roast,
Try it.
and that's got the convection. So we go start.
Hear the fan coming on.
And you can turn it's got the fan on, and it isn't that loud,
But it's instant
and
heat.
it's got this light as well,
Try that. Oh,
which doesn't come on by default, I don't think, but you can
it's nice to see how your food's cooking.
turn it on if you need to. That's that little glass bit, and there's the fan on the side. You turn that off. It's not noisy at all, is it?
I mean, I would say I've seen some well-designed kitchen appliances in my time, and I'd say this is probably one of the best. It's really simple. It's not overcomplicated. Even the handle, if you're a bit older,
Does it move when you pull the handle up and
No.
down? It looks like that light goes off automatically as well after a few
seconds. So
seconds.
smooth. You feel the heat, and it's been on for no time. Feel that heat.
Yeah.
So it's really efficient, and it gets up to temperature real quick. But that is, yeah, that's like Mercedes door. That seriously, you feel that.
Well, it's got a nice,
Feels
it's got a
substantial,
nice
doesn't it?
action to it.
It takes
like
some weight. Yeah.
closes. It's not
Yeah.
hard to pull down. It's nice and easy. It's like sprung.
Yeah.
And it,
So if you've got an older relative or somebody who's got a disability and they want to save on the electric, I understand this is about 260 quid, which seems a lot of money, but imagine trying to heat that up compared to that, and this is enough for probably 3 people to cook a meal in. I mean, it's, yeah, a really nice piece of equipment. If I had to buy one, I would buy one.
so far so good. We're quite impressed with it, how well it was packed, what it looks like, and impressed with the ease of use.
Yeah,
for sure.
functionality is...
And you can control how, like for toasting, you control how many
Yeah.
slices, how dark you want it.
Yeah.
Obviously everyone makes
I
their
mean,
own
if you just
stuff.
look at the menu there, it does everything you would need.
It does, yeah, it does everything, like.
Yeah, it's real nice. Yeah. Yeah. It's really easy to use. Simple. So, rare we do this, but 10 plus.
I think actually,
Don't you?
I think with the toast darkness, I think that was for the darkness, but it says temp as well. So if we go on like bake 160, and press this one. Oh, so that one controls the. If you was wondering how to up the temperature on something like a baking program, it's this one here. And this bottom one does the time. So depending what program you select, you can actually have them, the pre-made ones, but you can also set the temperature and also the time via temperature here and time there.
It's very
See?
responsive, isn't it?
Yeah,
As soon
it's
as you touch
instant,
it,
like
yeah.
40 minutes on that one, 180 on that one.
What does it go down to in temperature?
I don't know actually.
What's the minimum? 50.
50, so you could
What's
cook.
it go up to?
Yeah, oh, that's a ball.
220.
What does it all go? What does it go up to? The maximum?
230.
230. And what about the minutes? So it will go past 60 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. It will do 2 hours maximum, 230 on the bake setting. Obviously you can. What happens if you come off bake, crumpet then bake? Oh, it keeps the settings you had. So
you can grill, toast, put crumpets in, bake your cakes, roast your chicken, pop your pizza in, reheat meals, keep things warm, air fry like your chips and things, and put a pot in there for slow cooking.
and I think with the presets, it just tells it how the machine should operate, but then you can just set it as you need to.
But
Yeah,
I'd
exactly.
say 10 plus.
Yeah.
That's a solid bit of kit, and
Well impressed with that. Yeah.
well done, Sage. To be honest.
So guys, we're going to wrap this video up. We'll probably make some more videos with it in the future. But it's just in case you were thinking about buying this, you're wondering what it looks like, how it works, what the features. We hope this video is helpful to you.
Just saving a bit of electricity in this day and
It
age.
should save a lot of energy as well.
Yeah, I'm sure it's safe. So we're going to start using this rather than that.
That's an really old oven.
Yeah,
That is.
and if this has helped you save a bit of electric, if you could help us along a bit, subscribe, we'd appreciate it. Thanks very much for watching.